Hi guys, and welcome to the Northern Light RC channel. This episode is the first in a mini-series where I will show you the process of building a brand new indoor carpet racetrack. Now, my club was evicted from the old place that we had, and we had to move out in January. So it's been a while, but now we're starting up the project of building the new track. So in the end of January, we packed down all our stuff. The carpets, the barriers, the electronics, the counting system and everything. We packed it down in shipping containers, and it's been sitting in our new location until this week. In the meantime, the wait to have a place to race has been terrible, so I have been doing quite a lot of prepping on my Traxxas / Racer, and I have a new body which I think is looking quite awesome, and I've been going over new wheels, new tires, everything is just ready for a new track. So I'm super stoked, and I'm so glad that we are now starting up again. Now, my RC club is quite unique, at least in Norway it is, because we have gathered forces with the on-road community and also the drifting community. And that means that we need quite some big locations for an indoor track for all those classes. And we've been searching for a while, and we've landed on a big industrial tent. That we have a small space of that tent because the tent is huge, and this tent is situated in an expo center in the city of Stavanger, Norway. And I have filmed some clips, and I'm sorry, but the GoPro doesn't really handle the lighting inside very well. There are missing quite some light bulbs, and we'll get that sorted hopefully soon, so that the quality of the filming will become better. So this week we gathered a gang and went to the tent to start planning how to do the building process. And first of all, we had to dedicate the different spaces for the different tracks. And the off-road track, I'm so glad, because the space that is dedicated now for the off-road track is 20 by 30 meters. Yeah, we're metric here in Norway. But it equals to 65 by 98 feet, if that helps any. So it's quite a big area, and that's only for the track, not for the driver stand or the tower. So here you can see the area that is dedicated for the off-road track. It starts by the yellow marker that is furthest away and goes into the wall and straight on to the pallets at the far left. Now, the other yellow marker is where the on-road track starts and goes all the way to a yellow marker, which you see there by the red container. Now, these red containers, those will be our driver towers. It's quite awesome. And you can also see that we have an office or kiosk container, which is where we have the electronics and some snacks for the drivers when they go for practice. And here you can see the plans for the off-road track. And as you see, it's quite extensive. Now, this isn't necessarily how it will end up, but this is what we base the build upon. So hopefully it will look something like this. And what I really like about this track is that we have a mix between technical sections, jumps, and also speed sections. Now, the technical sections of the track consists of a series of tight turns, which will demand you to set the car up quite aggressive so that it can handle those turns. And we combine that with some really high-speed sections where you don't want the car to be that aggressive. So it will be kind of interesting to try to set up the car correctly for this track. And also we have planned in the far corner, we have planned a section of jumps and fun boxes and steps. Here you can see a draft that we have made, and I think it will look really cool. Now the next step in the build process would be to clean out the space for the track. We will have to sweep and remove some items to get the area ready. And then we will have to lay the carpets, and we are now discussing whether to use the carpets that we have or to try to invest in some new professional competition carpets. Because the carpets that we have today are donated to us by the annual oil convention that is held in the expo center, and they donate those carpets that they use for the convention to us. And up until now we've been using those, but as we in the off-road segment get better all the time, we are looking now towards investing in something really good. We also have to decide whether to use the barriers that we have today or if we need to modify them. The system that we have today is quite nice to have because it consists of wooden planks that are velcroed to the carpet, and that makes it really easy to test and adjust the track as we go along. But the biggest project that we have ahead of us is the jumps. We already have some jumps from the old track, but we want to modify them and also add on some fun boxes and a turn section with some stairs. So there's a lot of woodwork going into this, but it's going to be really good, I think. And I hope you want to join me and follow us through this process. So thank you guys for watching. I will try my best to document this build, and I hope you can enjoy it together with us. And now it's time for you to subscribe to my channel and like, and please leave some comments. Maybe you have some suggestions to videos that you want me to make, or maybe you just want to say hello. So until next time, see ya.